close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Imediatamente que eu bon ménage, m'douve comme si que li normal or it's a good thing. See comme si you're trying to distance yourself from boys. Well, from guys, all right? You distance yourself from them. You can still remain friends if you already had them in your life, right? Okay, still it is ami ensemble avec you, but you should distance yourself a little bit. Comme si moins availability, all right? Comme si t'a parlé en tête à tête ensemble avec un gars qui va ménage, for example, you know, if you're in a group, fine. Living dans une question, est-ce que fille gars sont cas amis? Parce que si m'te connais depuis bien avant, ou pas de comme si hit on me, ou pas de comme si madame, you know, ou pas de you know, trying to be with me or anything like that, right? We were always, you know, friendly, we talk, we joke. We don't talk on the phone all the time. Comme si nous avons parlé comme si une fois comme ça parce que nous avons que nous besoin parler. Nous text from time to time, hey, comment est ça? And that's all that it is. So you're my friend, right? Mais on dit comme si ou fait rencontrer un monde. Ou bien comme si son monde qui te qu'on ouais pas tu pas qu'on parler ensemble avec. Li écoute, hey, me connais tel côté, like, you know, fine. We talk. Si mon comme si pas du rien qui pour for comme si dit, oh, you're interested in me. Like, when am I supposed to tell you that I have a boyfriend? Comme si parce que like my assumption the assumption, goddamn. Mais comme si le fille fait ça parce que moi ça un film moi ça comme si like you know face to face as well. Côté comme si on moun seulement salue, oh, I have a boyfriend. What machine là où il y a pip on fait hey petit, oh, I have a boyfriend. Ou bien comme si on travaille ou bien whatever ça li on n'a pas ouvert bouche li pour dire bonjour ou get until I have a boyfriend. It's weird parce que moun te get comme si just like you as a person. You might, you know, just be an interesting person to talk to. Ou bien comme si ou son moun comme si qui est intéressant à voir. Yeah. Anyways, so Omun can get out just, oh my God, like, you know, I like her. We talked before and I like the way that you think and whatever. So, simpa bo espace pour nous converser, right? For us to have an initial conversation and see where your mind is. I will never know. Parce que mon thing that was just up essayer comme si parler ensemble avant aussi simple et banal et whatever qu'il décaille. So, is it a good idea to assume as soon as a guy trying to talk to you or say hi to you for you to assume that they want something with you? Moi, personnellement, toujours été tan. Well, that's what I usually do. First of all, I don't give you any type of ideas. I make sure that I stay at comme si m'parete kolo trop. M'fon série de bagages comme si qui pour prouver que moi ensemble avec un monde. Okay, like we can parler et autres, but pas besoin moi comme si me trop collé sur bien comme si just, you know what to do, people. So yeah, that's what I do. I stay at a certain distance, me parler avec mon ingrédient, blah blah blah, but m'éviter contact, alright, physique surtout. Et maybe ton série de comme si conversation qui ka trop, you know, but à part ça, like, I don't tell people, oh, I have a boyfriend, like, from the get-go. So, ap di mwen kon sa, ki yon ka al fon ti manje, mak men yon nan restaurant, like, ki lo ap gon ti top pou mte ka soti, man vi parler ensemble avon comme si de façon beaucoup plus, you know, en cœur à cœur, et ce genre de trucs là. I'm like, yeah, it's all fine, but just to let you know, I do have a boyfriend, so I don't want you to have any ideas. Yeah, we can still talk. Like, I don't mind going, we can go out and talk and have fun in groups or whatever, or with a couple of friends. It's all fine. That's how I see it. But know that I have a boyfriend. But that could be a few weeks after we actually talked. So, I don't know, Kilè, Like, what would be the best time for you to tell someone that I am in a relationship? Like, just so they know. Don't try to, cultivate an habit. Comme si, bon habitude ensemble avec moi, écrire chaque matin à 8h, écrire chaque après-midi ou chaque soir avant de dormir, bonne nuit ma princesse et autres. Like, on pas qui te cultiver tout ça. But if you don't do any of those things, comme si qui pour montrer que, okay, this guy might be interested in me, for me to tell you, oh, by the way, I do have a boyfriend, but I do like you as a person. We can talk and whatever. We can be friends or whatever, right? So, yeah, si mon n'a pas geta bon tout signe comme si au début, like, we're gonna be friends. Like, I might not talk to you every single day, but we're gonna be friends.